If you've been asking why can't I find the love I deserve, then this video is for you. Hi everyone, I'm Prashika and welcome back to Ask the Cards. Today we are exploring the question, what is blocking you from finding love? This could be anything from your past energy to something you might not even be aware of. Stay till the end. I've pulled a final guidance card revealing how can you vibrationally attract the love of your life. This card holds the key to opening your heart and letting love flow naturally. Don't skip it. I have three crystals for you to choose from today. Number one, citrine. Number two, amethyst. And number three, black tourmaline. Take a deep breath. Focus on the question, what is blocking you from finding love? Select the crystal you feel most drawn to. Timestamps for each crystal readings are in the description, so you can jump straight to yours. And if you feel pulled towards more than one crystal, go ahead and watch them all. There may be more than one message for you today. Let's get started. All right, let's dive into your reading. If you've chosen citrine, this message is for you. The Queen of Pentacles, the Strength, the Ten of Wands, and the Empress. All right, so the people who've chosen the crystal citrine, what I'm understanding right now is that you are a very calm, composed, and a very peaceful person by nature. You are very loving, you're very caring, you're very nurturing by nature. And currently, you have been waiting, and this wait has been really long. And what is blocking you from finding that love that you've been waiting for is that you are not being able to recognize the strength that you carry within. You have the power to fight for your love. And I am also seeing a pattern that has built on eventually is that you've started to bury yourself deep in a lot of work and pressure, and you're not ready to look beyond your situation and recognize the abundance and the love that the universe is ready to shower you with. I can see that you will have a really bright future. You will have all the abundance, love. You will, have a great life. You will flow through it very smoothly. You will have peace. You will have stability and everything that you need. The only thing is that you need to let go of these blockages. You need to find your inner strength and let go of this pattern. Start looking beyond your situation. All right, so that's it for the people who've chosen the crystal citrine. Remember, if you feel drawn to more than one crystal, watch them all or jump straight to the final guidance using the timestamp below. And if this message resonated, give it a thumbs up and comment which crystal you picked. Thank you. All right, let's dive into your reading. If you've chosen the crystal amethyst, this message is for you. The Six of Cups, the Two of Swords, the Four of Pentacles, and the King of Cups. All right. So, the people who've chosen the crystal amethyst, what I'm understanding is that you're still, not over that past love or that relationship that you were in. You have a lot of memories attached to this past connection, and you are not ready to let it go. And I see that this is what is exactly blocking you from finding your love or that abundance that you desire. You are at crossroad and you are somehow not ready to see beyond your situation, it's like you have, you know, you've built a pattern over here where you tend to grab onto whatever the universe offers you, and you hold on to it and you sit, and then you don't want to understand that, whether that thing is actually right for you or not. And in this scenario, what happens is that you tend to miss out on a lot of other things, a lot of other aspects of your life. So these are the blockages that I'm seeing. And now, looking at your current situation, what I'm understanding is that your future is going to be full of emotional turmoil because of this pattern and this habit that you've created of not looking, not understanding, not evaluating. That is going to create a lot of emotional turbulence in you because you have attached yourself emotionally to your past so much that it is going to have a major role in your future. So, according to me, according to this spread, what I'm understanding is that you really need to let go of this past. You need to move on and look beyond your situation. So that's it for the crystal, for the people who've chosen the crystal amethyst. Remember, if you feel drawn to more than one crystal, watch them all or jump straight to the final guidance using the timestamp below. And if this message resonated, give it a thumbs up and comment which crystal you picked. All right, let's dive into your reading. If you've chosen the crystal black tourmaline, this message is for you. The Four of Cups, the Nine of Pentacles, the Six of Pentacles, and the Knight of Wands. Okay, so for the people who have chosen this crystal black tourmaline, what I'm understanding is that you have shut yourself down. You've become a little numb from within. You don't want to, socialize or talk to people around you. You just want to stay within yourself. You are ready to ignore any opportunity, any divine sign, anything that comes across you or around you. You're just not open to anything right now. And what I'm understanding that, like what is blocking you from finding love is your immature and innocent aura that you carry. You think that, whatever you have is enough. You feel that this, like, you cannot receive more than what you have. You've created this pattern where you feel that whatever the universe has shown you till now, or whatever you've experienced till now, that is it and nothing can go beyond. And honestly, what I'm understanding is that if you stay stuck in this immature or this innocent phase, if you stay stuck and you keep telling yourself that you don't deserve the abundance, or maybe however much you've received is enough, and you are not meant to receive more from the universe right now, if you stay stuck in that kind of mental space, then it'll be very difficult for you to find love. You will always go around in a loop. You will always be in a search of finding that abundance and love, and in between you might even feel sometimes that, okay, probably this is it, and I finally found my way through, and I finally found the love that I was looking for. But then again, something or the other will happen and you will again stay stuck in that surge. So you need to let go of this. You need to mature. You need to open your mind, and you need to, look around and see what the world has there, like, is there to offer you. So, yes, that's it for the people who've chosen the crystal black tourmaline. Remember, if you feel drawn to more than one crystal, you can go back and watch the other videos or jump straight to the final guidance using the timestamp below. And if this message resonated, give it a thumbs up and comment which crystal you picked. Before we wrap up, as promised, here is your final guidance revealing how you can attract the love of your life. The Seven of Cups and the Four of Wands. So, for all the people who have come to this part of the video for guidance, let me tell you that you just need to manifest this love. Manifestation has a lot of power. You can not just manifest love, but you can manifest abundance, wealth, health, stability, luxury. Anything and everything that you desire can be manifested. And you just need to get past your blockages and let go of your old habits and patterns that has made you feel a little stuck in your situation right now. And let me tell you that, once you're able to do all of these things, you will receive a lot of love, lot of abundance, and you will be overwhelmed with joy and happiness. You will feel stable, secure, and you will be able to enjoy the life that you have always wished for. So, that was your final guidance card. A reminder that love starts with the energy you carry within yourself. Let this message guide how you open your heart moving forward. Comment below which crystal you picked, and if there is a question you would like me to explore in the next week's Pick a Crystal reading, share it. Like, share, and subscribe. Do not miss the next week's reading. Trust yourself and trust the universe. Love always finds its way. Thank you, everyone.